Wow, lihatlah, ada banyak mainan superhero teman-teman. Lihatlah, di sini ada senjata Spiderman teman-teman.
What happened?
Spider-Man,
The girl.
Wow, keren. Kita lihat lagi. Di sini ada PJ Mask Catboy teman-teman. Ada PJ Mask Gecko teman-teman.
Slithering serpents. If only I'd stuck up for my own plan and used my own superpower. It's time to be a hero. Super Lizard Grip. It's time for my plan. You can help by smashing as much of Romeo's icy ride as you can. Ready for some ice pinball?
Wow, imut sekali. Kita lihat lagi. Di sini ada topeng Thanos. Very nice. Widih, lihatlah, ada IRONMAN kartun teman-teman. Wow, keren sekali. Kita lihat lagi, di sini ada PJ Max Romeo teman-teman.
Oh, will you just step on it already? Romeo! Oh, hello! I didn't see you there. Were you looking for me? You know we are.
What are you going to do with paintbrushes, gym mats, and balls anyhow?
Whatever I want, that's what!
Oh, yeah?
Mantul. Wow, lihatlah, ada topeng Black Panther.
It's just a cat toy that looks like vibranium. We bought it for my cat Bootsy, but it might help us catch Doc Ock.
I must say, it looks very realistic. A little squeakier than the real thing. But if we can convince Doc Ock...
Mantap jiwa. Kita lihat lagi, ada PJ Mask OLED teman-teman.
Whoa! We've got to stop him before he ices anything else up.
It's really slippery! Whoa! Whoa!
Wow, keren. Kita lihat lagi, di sini ada si cantik Captain Marvel.
That's a great start. I see Rhino, but now we have to...
Mantap jiwa. Wow, lihatlah teman-teman, ada pistol Captain America. Very nice. Ayo kita lihat lagi. Di sini ada si Batman kartun. Mantap. Jadi lihatlah, ada pipi Groot teman-teman. Keren. Kita lihat lagi, ada Spider-Man. Mantap. Widih, lihatlah, ada Hulk kartun teman-teman.
Time to poof. Where'd he go?
Can't catch me.
Catch me, you!
Wow, bisa nyala. Keren. Kita lihat lagi, ada biji mask Luna here.
Entire Halloween scheme's falling apart!
Don't be so dramatic. We need a plan of attack.
Just hang back. Those PJ pests will help them find the goodies for us.
See, that's not so complicated.
Wadidaw, very nice. Wow, lihatlah. Masih ada PJ Basket Boy, teman-teman.
You'll have to stop me first. Super Cat strikes. What? Super Cat speed. Now there's more for me.
Wow, mantul. Kita lihat lagi. Di sini ada Kapten Amerika kartun. Wow, keren sekali. Yuk kita lihat lagi. Di sini ada si cantik Wonder Woman. Mantap. Wow, lihatlah. Ada baby Captain America, teman-teman.
I'm Captain America. My trusty shield. You never fail me.
Ih, mininya. Keren. Kita lihat lagi. Di sini ada baby Red Spidey.
Doc Ock's lair. Time to catch her by surprise before she springs another evil invention on the city. Oh, that's some security system.
Very nice. Kita lihat yang terakhir. Ada biji Mas Ninja naik.
Hey, look out, Ninjalinos! That thing can throw sticky spots!
Very nice.